Hi, I'm James. I'm Reviewed's international editor, and today I'll be reviewing the MyFitnessPal app. MyFitnessPal is a health and fitness app that allows users to track their calories, record their exercise. It also provides some meal plans and health and fitness advice, as well as a simplified social media system where users can track their progress, connect with friends and families, and exercise buddies. MyFitnessPal is free, but it does also have a premium tier. The free version allows users to track the calories, track the exercise, and also allows users to use the social media aspects of the app. The premium version, which is $20 a month or $80 a year, adds a few functions and removes the ads. Premium users can do all the same stuff as the free users. In addition, though, they can scan barcodes for prepackaged foods. It also provides some meal plans, some exercise routines, and allows users to track their macronutrients in greater detail. Signing up for the app is pretty easy. Initially, you'll be asked some information such as your country, you'll need an email address, it'll also ask your zip code. It'll then ask you what your goal is. So either you'll want to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain your current weight. Based on the information that you provide, MyFitnessPal will then provide you with a daily calorie goal and a target for how long it's going to take you to achieve your weight goal, whether it's to gain weight, lose weight. It's important to know that the app will not allow you to set a goal that it considers to be underweight or overweight. It also won't allow you to, within the app at least, lose more than 2 pounds per week. Anything more than that is regarded as potentially dangerous, so it will not allow that. Once you've set up an account, whenever you open up the app, you'll be presented with a dashboard. That dashboard will have your calorie goal, it'll have your exercise tracking information, and if you have the premium tier, it'll also have your macronutrient information. And from then on, you can start logging your meals, tracking your exercise, and connecting with people through the social media capabilities. Here are a few things that I liked about MyFitnessPal. First of all, the massive food database really simplifies the calorie counting process or the food tracking process. MyFitnessPal claims that the food database has over 14 million items. Of course, we have no way of verifying this, but there was never a moment where I couldn't find any of the food items that I'd consumed when I was trying to track calories. Another thing I liked about MyFitnessPal is that the user interface is uncluttered and streamlined. When you first open up the app, the first thing you see is this dashboard. Now, the dashboard contains a lot of information, but it's presented in a way that's really easy to find what you need, and you can access everything with just a few swipes and taps. Another thing we liked about MyFitnessPal is that you can automatically connect your Garmin or Fitbit activity tracker to the app. So any steps you do, any exercise you do will automatically be logged in the app and deducted from your calorie goal. The other thing that I liked about MyFitnessPal is that it helped me lose weight. Now, losing weight, getting fit, these are all very personal things that so many factors contribute to them, including physical factors, psychological factors, even economic factors. So it would be irresponsible for me to say that it'll definitely work for everyone, but I know that it worked for me. The reason it worked for me is that it took this activity that I generally don't like, which is counting calories. I find it tedious and boring, and it made it simple and streamlined so that I didn't mind doing this thing that I hate every day. So here are a few things that I didn't like about the MyFitnessPal app. The food database is quite overwhelming. So the database is, not only is it one of its greatest strengths, it's also one of its greatest weaknesses. A lot of the entries are user-generated, which means that you could search for one item like an apple, and you'll be presented with a list of thousands of different apples, all entered by different people, all with different ideas of what nutritional information they should add. Fortunately, MyFitnessPal does verify a lot of foods. Anything with a green check mark has been verified, and you can filter entries based on that check mark. Some of the app's best features are locked behind the premium tier. For many years, free users of MyFitnessPal could log meals or food items by just scanning the barcodes of prepackaged food. As of the 1st of October 2022, that feature is now locked behind the premium tier. You can still add prepackaged food, you just have to search for them manually and add them using the free tier. It's not a huge issue, but it really does negatively impact the free version's appeal. If you do want to try the premium tier, you can sign up for a 2-week trial. You will need to provide your credit card information, and if you don't cancel, after those 2 weeks yourself, you will be charged for the following month. The act of counting calories can be triggering for some. So while I personally appreciated the sort of hard data approach that MyFitnessPal took to calorie counting, the act of calorie counting can be triggering for some, especially those with eating disorders. Fortunately, there are other apps that eschew the sort of hard data-driven calorie counting aspect. Apps like Noom focus on mindfulness and creating good habits, and there are several other services that just avoid calorie counting altogether. There's also a nutritional service called Recovery Record that is specifically designed for those with eating disorders. Overall, so the pros include the massive food database simplifies the calorie tracking process, the app interface is uncluttered and streamlined, and it helped me achieve my weight loss goals. The cons. The food database can be overwhelming. The most useful feature is locked behind the premium paywall, and the focus on counting calories may be triggering for some. So is MyFitnessPal worth it? Yes, if you are looking for a simplified approach to calorie counting. Now, if like me, you're not too focused on macronutrients and you really just want to know that you are burning more than you are consuming, the free version is more than sufficient. However, if you don't like the ads, you really want the most simplified and streamlined approach to calorie counting, and you will find the meal plans and the exercise plans appealing, the premium version is worth it. For the full review, head to review.com, and thanks for watching.